So here on day 2 of MNIS26, how have you found the show so far?
It's been good. I've attended day 2 since this morning, and I found like some of the panel conversations provocative, interesting. A good combination also of university research, small startup scale-ups, as well as more like a T1 operators, like the one that I represent, or vendors, large vendors. It's a good combination and a good provocative thought about how do you bring innovation in the mobile industry today.
Yeah, definitely. I wanted to actually ask, why was it important for you as a representative of a major operator to take part in an event focused on innovation and I guess tell the stories of what's happening in the industry?
I think it is important that you have the operators there. I mean, it's interesting, and in the morning the panel did not have any telco representative there, and they were all thinking, you don't invest on telco operators because they're not innovative enough. And the point I've been making in my speech was, we are innovating. In fact, we are the test beds of all of this innovation. So we might not necessarily generate the research ourselves, but we generate all of the pain points, all of the key questions. Normally, what the research community or the innovation community want to hear is, what problem are we going to solve? What are the big problems? And yeah, so it is important to have the telco operators in the discussion, because the key questions, the key problems we have will be the ones that they will then try and resolve.
And if we think ahead to next year, what topics or innovations would you hope that we'd be talking about next year, or what gets you excited about where the conversation might have moved on to a year from now?
I think there's plenty going on, clearly with non-terrestrial networks and the evolution of satellite and mobile, how they work together. So it'd be good to have a little bit of that, but clearly we cannot sort of like let some of the discussion that we're having today on AI native, autonomous networks, introduction of 6G, AI for RAN, AI on RAN, go. So it will still have to be part of the innovation community, and see how it is embedding in the way we serve our customers, and remind also the innovation community we're serving a customer. How is that working? What is the customer benefit eventually that we see?